Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to UPSEC's online support program. I hope everyone has mathematics books. Now we are going to cover page numbers 193 to 205 of textbook and 151 to 161 of workbook. Chapter number 11, two-dimensional shapes, and today's topic are making and copying figures from shapes, symmetrical figures and making patterns. Students, today the summary of the lesson is this, that you will be able to draw symmetrical figures and objects with the help of different shapes, and you will also learn how to arrange different types of patterns, right? Now, thought of the day: if you see someone without a smile, give them one of yours. You know, these are our topics today we are going to cover, and our objective is you will be able to use different shapes to make figures and identify line of symmetry in different objects. You will make patterns of different shapes. Success criteria: form different figures with shapes, identify a line of symmetry, and you will be able to draw and complete patterns at the end of this lesson. Mental math activity time, right? How many centimeters in 9 meter? Good, 900 centimeter. Okay. Centimeter is used for what? Very good, measuring small objects. And meter is used for? Very good, excellent, to measure bigger objects. Okay students, first we will recap some of the previous lessons points. You know that straight line is set of points between 2 points, and a circle is made up of 2 semicircles and 4 quarter circles. You also have learned that semi means half, and in a quarter circle the 2 straight lines are perpendicular to each other, and you know what is the meaning of perpendicular. I have explained you. Okay students, when you make figures with different shapes, you can see that how to use the shapes. Here is a trapezium, a square, we have made a house. Here is a triangle and a circle, we have made ice cone. And here are some other shapes in which we have made this butterfly. Okay. Now, what are symmetrical figures? First of all, always remember that symmetry means same. As for symmetry, as for same, if you fold a figure into half so that the 2 halves exactly overlap each other, the figure is called symmetrical. For example, here this trapezium or this smiley face or a, when you fold it, the first half will exactly cover the other half. This is called symmetrical figure. Now, here are some examples. This is a rectangle, and when you divide this rectangle into 2 halves like this, vertically or horizontally, this is called the line of symmetry. So, a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Can you tell me that an apple has a line of symmetry or not? No. An apple has no line of symmetry, right? Now, it is not necessary that only 1 or 2 lines of symmetry are found in the figure. You can also draw more than 1 line of symmetry. For example, over here we have a square. So, you see that there are different horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry and diagonal line of symmetry. And we have over here a shape. Now when we draw a line of symmetry horizontal, you will see that we got this shape, right? Then when we draw the line of symmetry vertical, we will get this shape. Clear? Circle the objects that are not symmetrical. You have to do it by yourself. Don't ask anyone, okay? Now, what are patterns? Actually, patterns are formed when a set of shapes or numbers or designs are repeated over and over again. And you know there are 4 types of patterns. Now, I will explain you over here. Now, in the first one, you see that the shapes are same but their colors are different. So, this is the pattern of color. In the other one, you have different shapes. So, this is pattern of shape. In this one, your shape is same but the size is different. So, this is pattern of size. And in this, the shape is same but the directions are different. So, this is called pattern of orientation. Clear? Now here is a project for you, and these are the materials which you are supposed to use in this project, and here are the instructions given to you for making your project, and I am going to show you one video how to work on this project. So let's see the project video.
The materials which we need for this activity is hard sheet, different color paper, UHU, scissor, scale, pencil. Then we take the cutout of color paper in 3 different shapes. We take triangle, square, rectangle. The size of the shapes are equal. Now we are going to paste the shapes on the hard sheet. We apply the UHU on the shape. First we are going to paste triangle. Use UHU very carefully. In this way we are going to paste. Now we paste the square. We are going to make a shape pattern on the hard sheet. After square, we are going to paste the rectangle. Then again triangle. Or square, then rectangle. In this way, we are following the shape pattern: triangle, square, rectangle, square, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. See how beautifully we make our shape pattern. It looks very beautiful. It is very helpful in decoration.
Okay, students, these are the steps of project. You have to fill these blanks. After making the project, do take the picture of the project, and if you can make the video, you can also make the video and send it to me, and then I'll see that how beautifully you have made different patterns, right? It's a very interesting activity, and I hope you will enjoy this activity. So don't forget to make the project, and don't forget to write the steps of project. It is very necessary. Clear? Now the time for home assignment. Here are the page numbers of your textbook and workbook and the question numbers. Do your work neatly and according to the instructions given in the textbook or workbook in the questions. Clear? Okay students, thank you for watching this video. I hope everyone is fine, and take care of everyone. Allah